Hey Huggleberries, it's Huggleberry Toys, and today we have Big Bird's Find and Learn Color and Shape Blocks. This is a great toy from Sesame Street and Play School. They make lots of fun stuff for us to play with and ways to have fun to learn things. And this is what it's all about, learning and having fun with Sesame Street. Now we have Big Bird here, a giant yellow bird, and 3 blocks. And he's going to teach us lots of things about shapes and colors and lots more. We're going to have some fun playing with this one today. So are you ready? Okay, let's start by having a good look at him. There he is, Big Bird. Big smile, open his mouth, he's ready to talk to us. And he's got his hands out because he's got a place to hold blocks. Blocks like these, they just slide in like that. And whatever color or shape you want to learn about, you put in the front. You move it around and Big Bird's going to tell us all about it. So, underneath, we can turn it on. So we're going to go to on.
Hi, I'm Big Bird. Let's find out about shapes and colors together.
Did you hear him? Now, we have a blue block with shapes. We have an orange block with more shapes.
I'd like a block, please.
Did you hear him? Well, first we have to show you the yellow block with different shapes and things on it to learn about. Okay, I think we better give him a block.
Press the question button to play some more.
Okay, so we'll start with this block, the blue block. And what is that? Let's see if Big Bird knows.
Play a game with me. Ready? Listen carefully. Look for a circle.
Okay, we take it out and we look for the circle. That's not it. Maybe in this one. There it is, the circle.
Circle. Good thinking. That's a circle. It's round.
Yay!
Look for a picture of something pink.
Something pink. Okay, let's take this one out. Look for something pink. Not on that one. Wait, is that pink? A pink triangle?
That's an orange triangle. Find something pink.
We were close. It almost looks pink, but I guess that's an orange. So, wait, that's a pink bunny. Let's try that.
Yes, this picture of a bunny is pink. Look for a square.
Okay, let's play some more. Take it out. Is there a square on here? No. How about here? There's a blue square. Maybe that's the one.
Square. All right, that's a square. It has 4 sides. Now please find a rectangle.
You see how fun this is? They teach us about the square, the color, how many sides. Now he's asking for a rectangle. And there it is. Maybe that's a purple rectangle. Let's put it in and find out.
Rectangle. That's a rectangle. Here's the last one. Find something black.
Okay, the last one. Something black. I'm not seeing it on that one. Maybe this one. Look at all the shapes. Is that black? Kind of looks like a stop sign with lots of sides.
Great! Black, like the tires on a car. I like playing with you.
That was fun. That's how we make Big Bird ask us
Press
questions.
the question button to play some more.
He likes to talk. See, here's the question button. It's got 3 question marks. So when we put the block in and press the question button, it asks us questions. And there's lots more questions you can ask because there's different blocks. But we can also have him sing a song with us. How about we try that?
I'd like a block, please.
Did you hear him? Now we're just going to put a block in and not press the question button and see what happens. Let's start with this oval.
Oval. That's a white oval. White, like the snow.
Let's try another one. How about that?
Rhombus. That's a yellow rhombus. Yellow, like me.
That's funny. And we'll try this side. We've seen that one before.
Triangle. That's an orange triangle. Orange, like the oranges we eat.
He's so funny. And we'll try the fourth one in this block. We did see this when he asked us a question, but maybe he'll tell us a bit about it.
Octagon. That's a black octagon. Black, like the tires on a car.
Okay, now let's try these. Now we saw the bunny.
Bunny. This bunny's ear is shaped like a rhombus. That was really great.
What else does Big Bird have to say? There's a house. Tell us about a house, Big Bird.
House. This house is a square with a triangle roof.
Okay, and this one?
Hexagon. That's a pink hexagon. Pink, like Abby Cadabby.
Yeah, just like Big Bird's friend Abby Cadabby. And our last side is this side. Do you know what that is? Big Bird does.
Press the question button to play some more. What do I see up in the
He's singing
sky?
for us.
Pretty colors way up high. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Indigo and violet too. Mix all the pretty colors in the rainbow. 7 colors for us to see. All the pretty colors in the rainbow. 7 colors for you and me.
He sang us a rainbow song. Now let's put it inside. Oh, he's gonna sing it again. That's right.
What do I see up in the sky? Pretty colors way up high. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Indigo and violet too. Mix all the pretty colors in the rainbow. 7 colors for us to see. All the pretty colors in the rainbow. 7 colors for you and me.
That's funny. So he does sing us a song. Okay, now our last block. Let's do our last block.
Pentagon. That's a green pentagon. Green like grass. Thank you for playing with me.
This side? We know what that is.
Rectangle. That's a purple rectangle. Purple like the count.
The Count, right? We like him. 2 more sides. That's an easy one.
Circle. That's a red circle. Red like Elmo.
Yeah, Elmo. I love Elmo. And finally, our last side. Can you tell me what that is? That's right.
Square. That's a blue square. Blue like Cookie Monster. Look for a circle.
We can keep playing like that, and you can just keep putting them in.
Circle. Yes, that's a circle. Now please find a picture of something purple.
We can go on and on because there's so much to do with this. And you don't need mom and dad there. You just turn it on and you have your 3 blocks and you learn so much stuff. And Big Bird helps. He's funny, he likes to teach, and he even sings us a song.
Now please find a picture of something purple.
So that's our Sesame Street Big Bird Learn in Color shape blocks. Now let's turn it off. Always remember to turn it off. Just like that. That way, you don't wear the batteries out and you're ready to go for next time. And you know what? Mom and Dad will really be happy that you remembered to turn it off. Because that's what big kids do. Big kids that watch Sesame Street. Because Sesame Street is pretty awesome. So thanks for watching, Huckleberries. We had lots of fun with all the shapes, all the colors, and some sing-songs from Sesame Street's Big Bird. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like these videos, make sure to give us a thumbs up, a big Huggleberry thumbs up. And like the video and subscribe so you don't miss one video, because we got lots of new stuff coming up with cooking, and we're gonna do crafts and kids hacks. Lots of fun. Do you want to learn how to cook some kids stuff? We're gonna teach you, and then we can eat all that yummy stuff together. And you can show mom and dad what a big kid you are. So thanks for watching, Huggleberries. Have a Huggleberry day.